Hey there, Phoenixes, and welcome to this week's Free Create Fridays, your weekly place for creative tutorials, how-tos, DIYs to inspire your creative soul, because it is so important to bring that creativity into your life as often as you can. As always, I am your host here, Daniela Langford, founder and head coach at ReDesign Your Life Forever. And this week I have got a super cute project for you. It is summer, as you can see. It is summing out here. It is hot. And this week we are going to be doing super cute barefoot sandals. Which are great for this time of year. We're going to be going out to the beach. We're going to be going to parks, doing lots of grounding, getting our feet out there on Mother Earth. And this is a super cute way to jazz up your feet to be able to do that. So let's go ahead and get ready for our stretch time and grab all of our materials. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these super cute sandals. Let's get going. All right, let's get going with a little bit of twist stretching, get that energy flowing, get that energy moving, and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite breathing techniques to bring in that energy, to get you pumped, and it is a great one to use anytime. So if you have not joined in with us in this little bit of stretch time, I highly suggest you do so, because it is a great way, a great excuse to get that movement in your week. And really, it's just damn good for you. Let's just be honest, it's damn good for you. So come on in, bring it in, and follow along. We're gonna go up, and we're just gonna bend forward. Get that nice stretch through the back and the legs. A few breaths here. And we're gonna roll it up. Arms up, reach back. Whew, that feels good already, doesn't it? All right, feet, shoulder or hip width apart. We're gonna stabilize our hips here, and we are gonna twist through the middle. Heard my back crack. Just a few twists here, waking up that core, waking up that heart center. You can hold your arms out, hold them up, to the side. A couple more. And whoo, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. All right, now we're gonna do our breath, and then we're gonna go gather our materials and do this tutorial, because this is gonna be a super fun one. So for this breath is an amazing, energetic, energizing breath. We're gonna start with our hands here, as you can see, and we're just gonna go in, out. All right, follow along. Feel it? Do you feel it? Just that alone. And we didn't even do it that long. How do you feel? I'm already feeling great. Let's go get our materials and get cracking. To make these cute sandals, you are gonna need some embroidery thread. These I bought in these big old spools, whatever colors you love. Nylon cord, or, can't see it, it's not focusing, hem cord. either one. These are going to be what you thread your beads and all of your gems onto. Speaking of which, a huge assortment of beads, gems, shells, crystals. Go nuts. Get creative. Also, you will need a clamp or some tape to hold your project onto the table, scissors, and a ruler. All right, grab all your stuff and let's get started. You're going to need 100 to 120 inches of your embroidery thread, 2 times for each sandal, as well as the same amount of either your hemp cord or your nylon cord. Now, an easy way to do this is to measure out 50 or 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, mine's already doubled over. Then all you'd have to do is double it over, go to the end, and clip it off. Same for, again, your hemp or your nylon cord. Now this is going to be what your beads go onto, and we're going to braid these together. These are my 3 colors. I decided to do a 3-color one this time, and with my main colors being 2 instead of 1, like the example. But we're just getting adventurous here, seeing how it's going to work. It might combine really well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our halfway point here, and our halfway point here. And our halfway point on our third. So you're going to need 3 sets of strings for each sandal. So that will be 6 in total for both feet. Pick them up approximately in the middle. Then you're going to choose a little to the side, one way or the other, and tie it on. So you will then have a shorter side and a longer side. Unless, of course, yours gets all knotted up like mine just did. Nice and tight. And now you will have a shorter side and a longer side. Find which one that is. You want to find the longer side. And now we're going to braid. Just do the same exact thing for the other foot. do braid a little too much, that's okay. You can just move your knot up, make that loop smaller, and let the rest unravel. You have your toe loop, and now is a good time to set up your beads for your pattern. You want to make sure that you have enough to do both feet, not just one, because what you'll find is you'll come down from the middle and you need 2 sets for either side. Can't just do one side. And then also, as you come down to the wrapping, you'll notice that you need another set of 2. So really, I need to do this matching, I will need 8 of those and 4 of these. So just keep that in mind as you are planning out your beading. Okay, we are all set up here. I've got my beads all ready to go. I've planned them all out. You saw the picture. Here they all are. This is a great way to plan out your pattern and also make sure that you have enough beads for what you want to do before you get started, unlike what I did on my practice. So here we are. We've got our 2 sandals ready to go, clipped in. And I'm going to bring us closer so that you can see how I'm making that knot. And then we're just going to fast forward through this bad boy, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So here we are. They are all finished up. Look how adorable those came out. How easy is that to do? Just a bit of knot work and a little bit of time, maybe sitting in front of a TV, watching a good movie, hanging out with the family, or just something fun to do on your own. These make fantastic gifts for any and all of your friends and family who love to adorn themselves. Look how cute. You can do them in any colors, any kinds of beads and shells. Again, super fun. Now I'm going to show you how to put them on. All right, to put these on is super simple, and you're just going to love it. Foot. Very simple. Pick out the ones you want to wear. Sling that over your toe. Just like that. Bring the sandal up your foot, and you have your two tie straps here. Wrap them around your ankle. Tie them to each other. Wrap those little ends in. Bada boom, bada bing. How adorable is that? Oh, I love these. I can't wait to wear these. We're gonna be out in the park today, and I'm gonna show you these in action, Phoenixes. Hurry, Phoenixes, that is it. How easy was that to make, and how cute are these? As you can see, I am out here. We are enjoying the festival here for 4th of July. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you all later.